Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by signing into the Google account tied to the business or profile. This lets you upload photos that associate correctly. Once signed in, open Google Maps and locate the place. Tap Photos or Add Photo to begin. You should choose clear images, correct orientation, and reasonable resolution, because blurry or misaligned images lower visibility. Also, make sure there's no personal data in the frame. This prevents rejections. Now proceed to select files, or take new shots and upload them. Once photos are uploaded, you describe them. Add a clear caption, the date, and any subject tags because search and categorization rely on that metadata. Make sure to set the photo type: interior, exterior, menu, or staff. This helps Google place images correctly in listings. You should prefer GPS-enabled images or manually verify location pins so pictures anchor to the correct place. Also, use consistent file names so you can track versions and re-upload improved shots if needed. You finish by reviewing the place profile to confirm uploads appear and removing duplicates or low-quality images that dilute impact. Once done, know that Google often reviews new photos for 24 to 72 hours. Make sure to check visibility and the display order after that period. If a photo is rejected, don't panic. Adjust metadata, retake the image with better lighting or framing, and resubmit. If problems persist, contact support or use the appeal option to clarify intent.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.